dough, boot it up, the screen comes alive, glowing green. In a world of 8-bit drive, 64 on the desk, joystick in hand, we were kings of the code in a digital land. Datasette, whirs, iced chip plays, loading games that could last for days. Basic lines and raster beams, living large on Commodore Dreams. Ohhh Commodore, take me back in time to the pixel days and basic lines, floppy spins and the keyboard gleams. We were coding life on Commodore Dreams. Yeah, Commodore, you were pure gold in a plastic shell. The future told from SuperPET and Amiga themes. You lit the spark in our wildest dreams. Cracked the code, we made it ours, typing late on just CRT stars. BBS calls and modem tones, hackers, gamers, all in our zones. The 64 danced, the Amiga sang, with the sound of bytes and a disk drive clang. Sprite by sprite, we built our scenes, living loud through Commodore Dreams. Oh Commodore, take me back in time to the pixel days, to basic lines, floppy spins and the keyboard gleams. We were coding life on Commodore Dreams. Yeah, Commodore, you were pure gold in a plastic shell. The future told from SuperPET and Amiga themes. You lit the spark in our wildest dreams. Now the screens are flat and the apps all stream, but you can't outcode that Commodore gleam. In every byte, I'll never realize of the first time we touched the sky. Oh Commodore, you still remain in retro hearts and vintage lanes. Your legacy's more than it seems. You built our world with Commodore Dreams. Commodore Dreams, forever in those screen light beams. Yeah, Commodore Dreams, we still live in those Commodore Dreams.